Have you ever noticed how sometimes things just seem to fall into place? You think of a friend and they call. You wish for an opportunity and it appears. These synchronicities are not mere coincidences. They are the universe responding to your intentions. Intentions are powerful forces. They are the seeds of creation, the starting point of all manifestation. When you set an intention, you are aligning your energy with the universal force, setting in motion a chain of events that will lead you towards your desired outcome. This is not about wishful thinking. It is about consciously directing your energy and focus towards what you want to create. We are all creators, whether we realize it or not. Our thoughts, beliefs, and actions are constantly shaping our reality. By mastering the art of setting intentions, you can take control of your life. You can manifest your dreams and live a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. What exactly is an intention? It is a clear and focused declaration of what you want to experience. It is a statement of your desired outcome, made with conviction and belief. Setting intentions is not about demanding or controlling. It is about aligning your energy with the universal flow, allowing the universe to work its magic. It is about co-creating with the universe, trusting that it will support you in manifesting your desires. Your intentions are powerful magnets, attracting to you the people, resources, and opportunities you need to achieve your goals. The clearer and more focused your intentions, the more powerful they become. The first step in setting powerful intentions is to get clear about what you truly desire. What do you want to experience in your life? What brings you joy, fulfillment, and purpose? Take some time to reflect on your values, passions, and dreams. Write them down in a journal or create a vision board. Be specific and detailed in your descriptions. Don't censor yourself or limit your desires. Allow yourself to dream big and imagine the most amazing possibilities. The universe is abundant and can provide for all your needs. Once you have clarity on your desires, the next step is to align your beliefs with the possibility of their manifestation. Do you truly believe that your dreams can come true? Your beliefs are powerful filters that shape your reality. If you believe that something is impossible, you will block its manifestation. But if you believe that anything is possible, you open yourself up to infinite possibilities. Challenge any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Affirmations, visualizations, and surrounding yourself with positive influences can help you shift your beliefs and align with the energy of possibility. Section 5, Step 3. Visualization. Imagine your dream. Visualization is a truly powerful tool for manifestation. It involves creating a clear and vivid mental picture of your desired outcome, as if it were already happening. Now, imagine yourself living your dream life. See it, feel it, hear it, taste it, and smell it. Engage all your senses in the visualization. The more real you can make it feel, the more powerful it will be. Regular visualization helps to impress your desires upon your subconscious mind, aligning your energy with the vibration of your dream. Section 6. Step 4. Emotionalization. Feel the joy. Emotions are powerful amplifiers of intentions. When you infuse your intentions with positive emotions, you supercharge their manifestation power. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of already having what you desire. Imagine how you will feel when your dream becomes a reality. Allow yourself to bask in these positive emotions. The universe responds to your vibrational frequency, so the more positive emotions you can generate, the faster you will attract your desires. Section 7. Step 5. Action. Take inspired steps. Setting intentions is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It is about taking inspired action towards your goals. The universe will provide you with opportunities, but it is up to you to take advantage of them. Listen to your intuition and follow the nudges you receive. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and take risks. Trust that the universe is guiding you and supporting you every step of the way. Section 8. Step 6. Detachment. Let go and trust. One of the most important steps in manifestation is detachment. This means letting go of the need to control the outcome and trusting that the universe will deliver in its own perfect timing. When you are attached to a specific outcome, you create resistance that can block the manifestation. Trust that the universe knows what is best for you and will orchestrate events in a way that serves your highest good. Surrender your desires to the universe and allow the process to unfold naturally. This is where the magic happens. Section 9. Conclusion: Your dream life awaits. Mastering the art of setting intentions is a journey, not a destination. It requires practice, patience, and trust in the unseen forces of the universe. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the ability to manifest your dreams and live a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. Start today by setting clear intentions, aligning your beliefs, visualizing your desires, feeling the joy, taking inspired action, and detaching from the outcome. Your dream life awaits. Go forth and create it.